In this tutorial, we will learn how to export a tube assembly from MTube to AutoNest. Open the assembly file. Click the Export option and select the material for the tubes. Each tube will now be individually exported. Here you can see a list of all the parts that were successfully exported. You can also change the overall quantity of the assembly. After the export is done, you can start a new job in AutoNest with all the tubes. In the Quantity Order dialog, you can auto-cut all the tubes before nesting. To nest the tubes, click the AutoNest option and set the nesting parameters. You can see how all the tubes are arranged together. You can see a 3D view of the assembly and create a 3D simulation.